Randy, you literally played the match of your life. I've been following you since you've been a junior. It's a long time, and this is the best I've ever seen you play. Your thoughts on that?
Thank you. I don't know. Sometimes it's just the crowd, the occasion, the moment. I just felt it, and once I felt good, I just kept rolling with it.
I saw Randy playing all those tournaments leading up to this time. The League and the Open, the All Jamaica Open, and the two Futures. And today he just let it loose. He left everything on the court. He was in a zone.
Well, I'm not sure about Randy's retirement. I'm hoping those plans have been shelved for a while. He certainly turned back the clock here today. I mean, he played some exceptional tennis. I certainly don't think it's a case where his opponent didn't play well. I think KP played well. Randy just brought it on the big points. He was a little better, a little sharper, and just everything to be proud of. All credit to him.